Okay, here we're recording right now. We are going up another week. Mom climbing the steps, and let me see how it will look like. And then we'll send you all. This is a step going upstairs. They're going to put here another step. This is the entrance, the main entrance, which you can see right away. I don't know if you can focus here or not, but here we are. Here we are walking up the steps. Big step, and we have up the wall. We have a nice window, and this is the way we are climbing up to the children and the grandchildren home. We'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, they painted, they put the banister which was not here last time, and here we are walking to the great room of Avi Gelboim Senior. This is bathroom. I don't know if you can see too much. I think there's a light here. I don't see the light. There's a light bulb, but this is the bathroom. And here we are moving to the left, and you have the wall, flooring, window, and rest of the room. We have one problem here. We'll have to put the TV on the other side. However, unfortunate, we'll have to pay on the cable box, and I'll make sure that Avi will pay for it personally. Okay, here we are. Going out of his private room, through the door, and making a left turn, and we are going to be a little bit linen closet here on the side, and we are going to see here Ricky's room. Ricky volunteered not to have a TV in his room. Ricky and Molly's room, and the grandchildren soon to come. A window and the closet, and I'm not sure if Ricky wants to have in one point a TV where he will have room for the TV.
Right here.
Maybe right there. Maybe we'll give him the 17-inch TV here. Once Avi will have the 42-inch TV. Leave it go, okay? This will be the TV room. Okay, TV wall. And now we are going to the grandchildren room. That's the children, future children. That's Ricky's shower. He insisted to have a shower, and he didn't want to have a bath. So this will be eventually Ricky's shower. I guess
the light on.
I don't know where.
Must be on the right.
I don't think they have it inside. Maybe here somewhere. I'm not sure. There will be a light. So this is the Ricky's shower. He didn't want to have a bath. So if you want to have a bath, you have to share it with Harvey. Mali, hopefully you like showers and not bath. If not, you'll have to share it with Harvey's. And here's the baby's room. Here is the crib number 1. Will be on the side. Crib number 2 on this side, crib number 3 on this side, and the 4th will wait a little bit. And this is the 3rd bedroom. So this is an area that Mom and myself will never come here, and there is no reason to come here. Let me shut off the light, and we'll go down. right now to see the rest of the house. Okay. Move a little bit faster because I don't want to make it boring on YouTube.
Turn off the video.
I don't know, I can have to start a new one. I don't know how you pause here. So here we are going down the steps, and here that will be the nice entrance.
If you go into the basement, I think they might have just sprayed the walls.
So don't
You
touch the
don't want to
wall.
lean against it.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay, this entrance coming from the main entrance, and here will be my office, couch against this wall, and TV will be against this wall. And we are going to put there 55 inches TV. This will be nice. We might have a problem a little bit with the cabinet, but we'll have to walk it around. And this is the room.
Can you help me?
Mom need the help. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, jump.
No,
1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, we need to help Mom. Sit down on the floor. No, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Go down. Go down. No. Go down. Everyone see you on the wall. Okay, give me a hand. I don't know how. Give me a hand, okay? Here, I will carry you. Here. Here, I just carry Mom. Okay. And now we are going down to the basement. Don't touch the wall because it's just been sprayed.
No, not here. You can see.
Never mind. Go faster. We don't have. People don't have a. Okay. There's an entrance to the basement. I don't think I showed you the basement last time on the last YouTube. Okay. There's a big area which we might put here.
Pool table is going to go right here.
We might put the pool table right there.
Yeah. Hello.
Here's this nice person sitting here, relaxing.
Really?
3 of them. They work very hard. Hello, how are you? Good. They will see you all over the country now. And
Do you know what the water is here on the floor?
We got cold and hot water.
Oh, sorry. No, right here. This floor.
there's the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. And even here they have some water. And they have water here too.
And there's water in here too. Yeah. Yeah, got water here.
Okay. And here let me show you a little bit. This is the unfinished basement. Of course we have some water here, but look the size of this unfinished basement. Okay. This is the size of the unfinished basement. This is a step going outside. I'm better off right now. 1 second.
That's not a leak in the bedroom, it's cement on the floor.
I see. Okay. Okay, so right now.
He already told
Okay, fine.
I'll
Okay, so this is the size of the unfinished basement, and of course we have here another almost a full room here. It's very hard to see. I will finish at this point, and then I will start a new one second time, and hopefully I will be able to download 10 minutes. Okay, and we'll go up, and then from there we'll continue another part of the bedroom upstairs. Okay, here we are, and we'll stop it right here, and we'll start it